This is ABRSM Grade 1, Section 2, 2.1, and the question is to tick one box to show the correct name of each note. So if we look at example A, what we have to do is to tick the correct box of the note that's shown. I would say that there's probably two possible pit holes that you could fall down on, so you need to make sure that you don't do either of those. The first one is that you must check the clef. And I'd say that most of the problems that I see with my students are where the clef, they've got the clef incorrect. Okay, so it is the bass clef. And the second pit hole that people fall down is they jump straight to that note and say, oh, it's in the bass clef, and this I know is an F. Okay, now luckily for us in this example there is no F as an answer, so you know that's not correct. But the proper thing to do is to make sure that you take care of your key signature. And there may be some questions where they give you both an F and an F sharp, so you have to make sure that you check the right one. Okay, that's it. The rest of this question should be simple. At this level, you should know your notes. If you don't, you need to go back to the workbook and review and revise all of your grade 1 notes in the treble clef and the bass clef. So when answering this question, remember two things. 1, check the clef. 2, check the key signature. There may not be, and it might be that the note itself has the sharp or flat behind it. But there are some occasions where you will have a note and it does have a key signature. Now in this case you can see that the B flat is not on the line of the note they're asking you about, but if it was, you would have to make sure that you remembered that in your answer.